Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you're trying to find where the relay is guys for the heated seats or for the heated mirrors, stay with us and we'll explain that today. Let's say you have heated seats, they don't work, or you have the defrosting mirrors guys that don't work as well. We'll explain where that relay is located and how to remove and replace it. Also, we'll explain how to test it. This should work on this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015 as well guys. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called Auto Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. 2013 Hyundai Sonata right here guys. So as I said, this relay will be for if you have heated seats, okay, heated seats, or if you have defrosting mirrors as well. Now before removing and replacing relays, it's always recommended guys to disconnect your car battery. Now it really matters how you disconnect and reconnect car battery, because if you don't do it the right way, you can burn your engine computer, cause damage to electrical components and systems. We have a special video that explains that guys, and it takes only a few seconds to find out how to properly connect and disconnect your car battery. So check out the link in the description of the video below. It will explain everything about that. In addition, right here is the fuse box. You have one tap here, one there, squish, pull straight up, and that's what we have here guys. You need to check up to 2 relays now. The first relay that we need to check is known as RRHTD, okay, right here. So check this relay, it could be for heated seats and heated mirrors as well guys, and grab it. It's tight guys, super tight, especially if they haven't been removed. If you need to buy a new one, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from for a really good price. Also, if you need to see how to test one guys, we'll share the link in the description of the video below that explains how to test the relay and find out if it's good or bad. Check this one out, this is one of them. Now the other relay, okay, always check guys the de-icer relay. Okay, it's this green relay right here. It could be as well guys for the heated mirrors, so grab it, and that thing is super tight. Probably without pliers I may not be able to pull it out. It's unbelievable guys, but right there as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find out these 2 relays. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.